The 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.